Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download the old Steam Cloud saves now. If you know that the latest version of the newer version of Steam does not support getting the cloud games retrieved from the database that is stored very old on your data of the cloud of Steam. Now, in order to get that back, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser on a system, and here you need to type this link that is correctly store.steampower.com/account/remote storage. Just hit enter, and here in this page you need to sign in. Once you sign in with your Steam account details, you will find out there's a drive like folder in which you can find all your saved games. Now, once you and let me quickly authenticate to that particular page. Once you are inside here, you can find all the cloud saves of your games in here. Like here, for example, if I have Counter Strike saves, so I can just simply hit on this option of show files, and I can find the saved progress of my game in here in the cloud only. So you can find it of any game if you want to.
Sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.